So I like to be a very adventurous cook when I'm trying new recipes. So that's why today I'm gonna try and make s'mores. And I know you might be thinking like s'mores is like the simplest recipe. Like I made that when I was 4. But I'm going to try and make everything from scratch. So make the marshmallows from scratch, make the graham crackers from scratch, and even make the chocolate from scratch. So I've been waiting for about 10 minutes probably, and I don't think this is gonna solidify. Which makes sense. I mean, I didn't have cocoa butter, so I used coconut oil, and coconut oil is liquid at room temperature, so it makes sense that this won't solidify. So I'll probably give it another go with cocoa butter. Gotta find some. But flavor-wise, I mean, that just tastes like brownies, like brownies in liquid form. So yeah, I'll find some cocoa butter and give it another go. Alright, so the chocolate bar actually did harden considerably more than I expected, so it feels like a chocolate bar. It's still got the grittiness though. This is just like limitations of what I have, but it looks nice. So let's see what it tastes like. Flavor is good. Definitely tastes high quality. It still has a little bit of that sour taste that I could smell in the cocoa nibs. I think a little bit is not going to hurt that much. Tastes pretty good. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm gonna break this. Oh my God. Oh man. Doesn't taste anything like a marshmallow you buy in the store. It's hard to describe. It has like a slight, maybe more caramelly flavor. It's still very light and fluffy. Maybe a little more dense than ones from the store. It was good. All right, so I'm ready to start toasting some marshmallows. The best way I can think of doing it is use this candle. So hopefully it works out. Okay. Wow. Here we go. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, I think each part is, I mean, the marshmallow just has a lot more depth because it's not just sweet like marshmallows you buy in the store. It's got like a range of flavors that were developed through the heating of the sugar. So the marshmallow is more, it got a bigger range. The chocolate has a stronger cocoa flavor, not just being sweet as well. And then the graham cracker is not as sweet, but it's a lot more, it's got that whole wheat depth. So altogether it's something else. Wow.